Hi, so you might be asking, what is this new mower doing on the bench, and where is the Ransomes Ajax Mark III that you finished? We sold it. We had it on eBay and we sold it. Now, we bought the mower for 45 quid, and then we spent 80 quid on parts, which is a hideous amount. But we had the decal from Australia, we had paint, we had primer. I've counted absolutely everything. So £80 and £45 is how much, Camera Man Sammy?
125.
Now we put 125, so I put it on eBay for 185, and we had a bid, like an offer of £150. Will you accept it? And I thought, you know what? We've had some fun. We've learned some stuff. It's a really small profit, but a profit's a profit. So we just let it go. Now we now have the Ransomes Ace Mark II. Now this is the simplest mower you are ever going to come across. The handles just sit on it. They just ping on and off. You just pull them, and it's got two wheels, yeah, for the side, and you just push it along and it mows the bit. Now these things have never ever got the grass box. It's quite a rare mower. It never has the grass box. Look what we got. We don't quite have a grass box. We have something that sort of resembles a grass box, for a 1950s grass box, held together with a piece of wood and some wire. So I think there's going to be some welding and some clever stuff going on that, but you're going to see a real change on it. I promise you, you're going to do something quite good with that. As you can see, I've started taking it apart. Now, the bottom blade, yeah, the bottom blade, which just sits under the rolly blade, it's a technical term, this, you learn all the technical kind of know-how here, sits under the mower, and it's held up by these. Yeah, so these fit in there, and they just hold it to the bottom of the mower. Now, these bolts look pretty classy, right? They are pretty, they're okay, they're going to clean up okay, but I'm going to do something a little bit different with these, yeah? I have a sandblasting machine at work, and I'm going to take these in, spray them with grit, yeah, high pressure grit, and you're going to see how clean they are. These will look like new bolts next time you see them. Now, the other little thing that I've invested on, with my small profit, very small profit from the Ransomes Ajax, is not a cup of tea. It's actually an angle grinder, which is why I've got these things on my head. Another little tool I have, which is proper cool, is a little kind of ratchety screwdriver. You know when you try to turn it and it won't quite turn? Watch this. Here's what you do. When you want to tighten, push. What's this? You push down it with all your might, and the thing turns automatically. And then you can flip it on a little switch that's on here, and it'll reverse. It's really cool. Cost me £9 off a car boot sale. They're called a Stanley Yankee spanner. They are brilliant. 9 quid, worth 9 quid of your money. Now, I'm going to show you, if you've not seen what an angle grinder is, you've probably seen these things before. They're really simple to use, and I'm not going to do very much at all because we're in a confined working space, and I just want to show you for the video what this is like. Now, I'm going to put my glasses on. Camera Man Sammy, if you can just stand back a little bit, I'm going to plug this in, and I'm just going to fire her up, and I'm going to put that there, then I'm going to turn it on, and we'll just do, I think I'm going to put this just in the vise for a moment here, actually. I think that would be a bit smarter. There we go, that's nice and tight, and I'm just going to grind along this bit here, and you'll see the rust coming right off. There we go. It smells something dreadful. So if we can bring the camera in quickly, you can just see that all that rust with like no effort has just gone completely. Hopefully this is something that we might as well sandblast, but if not, that's pretty cool. Right, and that tool there, the angle grinder, with a couple of the grinding wheels, was about £30. So pretty good value, I reckon. Really useful tool. Of course, you've got to be really careful with it. come back and see us and see how the mower is progressing. I'll catch you soon, and good luck with all the projects that you're doing, and hopefully we're inspiring you a little bit too.